Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to master the AI video editing tools in HitPaw Edimakor, from automatic captions to AI voiceovers and background noise removal. Let's dive in. First, open the HitPaw Edimakor and click Create New Project. Then drag your video clips into the timeline to get started. And use AI auto subtitles. Just select the video clip into the timeline and head to the Captions tab and click the auto subtitle. You can choose your language and let the AI transcribe your video in seconds. Then edit your captions, adjust the font, color, and position to match your style. And for adding an AI voiceovers, go to the text to speech tool. Type or paste the script into the video or text box. Then choose a range of natural sounding AI voices, adjust the pitch, speed, and volume, then click generate and add a voiceover to your timeline. And to clean up the audio with a noise AI noise removal, select your audio track or video clip, then click the audio tab and activate the noise reduction. And the AI will automatically remove the background noise and enhance your voice clarity, perfect for vlogs, tutorials, and voiceovers. Then here you can explore the Effects tab for AI-powered filters and cinematic color grading presets. Drag and drop the effects into your clips for instant upgrades. Then go to Smart Cut tool under the Edit tab, and the AI will automatically detect the silences, bloopers, and wanted sections to trim them out for you. And once you're happy with your edits, click Export, then choose the desired format's resolution, then hit Export and you're done. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching.